I walk these empty streets alone, where your shadow used to fall beside my own. The echoes of your voice still call my name, but nothing feels the same. Raindrops dance on rooftops tonight, like they know the rhythms of our old fights. Every puddle's a mirror showing what's gone. Memories fade like the break of dawn. Echoes in the rain, they never fade. Whispered secrets in the storm we made, dripping softly like tears down my face. The world is hollow without your trace. The lamppost bends like it's bowing in shame. Even the wind doesn't sing the same. Every step I take weighs heavy and slow, dragging these thoughts I can't let go. Even the stars hide behind the mist, like they're ashamed of what we missed. The sky's so gray it's almost black. I keep looking but you won't come back. Echoes in the rain, they never fade. Whispered secrets in the storm we made, dripping softly like tears down my face. The world is hollow without your trace. Bends like it's bowing in shame. Even the wind doesn't sing the same. Every step I take weighs heavy and slow, dragging these thoughts I can't